Hello guys, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are going to have a look at the Casio Duro. So this is going to be the Casio MDV 106B, and today's version, so variant, is going to be 1A1V. As you can see, the watch is going to come in this basic cardboard box, written Casio, and here we also have a support, something that I really like. Here we have a small battery list, I believe, and then here we also have the booklet underneath. So we have this Casio support, and as you can see, this is going to be the watch. Today's version is going to be the one with the half blue bezel. Let's peel this protection cover off. As you can see, very nice display, very nice color, immaculate condition. Let's take it off the support. This is going to be really cool to keep all your Casio watches in case you are collecting Casio watches. And as you can see, this is going to be the watch. So let's get into the dimensions. We have a case height, so the lug-to-lug distance of 49.5 millimeters and a case width of 46.3 millimeters. So this is going to be a good watch for medium and larger wrists. And then we have a case thickness of 11.1 millimeters. When it comes to the weight, the watch is going to weigh 92 grams, and as you can see, it comes with a resin strap. You might see online some aftermarket bracelets, so those watches are going to weigh a little bit more. When it comes to the materials of the case, we have stainless steel and an aluminum bezel. So we have the unidirectional rotating bezel, as you can see right here. Very nice click, very smooth to the touch. Then we have the resin strap, something that Casio uses for most of their watches, including Casio G-Shock watches. We have the screw down crown and the screw down back. This is going to ensure that 200 meters of water resistance. The watch battery is going to have a lifetime of 3 years, and it is going to be the SR626SW. As you can see here, we have the date complication at 3 o'clock. In order to set the time and date, we will first need to unscrew the crown, as you can see right here. And here we are going to have two positions, one for the date and one for the setting of time. And we can see that the movement also has a hacking. So when I pull the crown all the way, the seconds hand has stopped. If I push it to the 0 position, it is going to start ticking again. In order to screw down back the crown, we need to push and rotate to the right at the same time. So in order to screw it back in, the watch crystal is going to be mineral glass, and as you can see, it is going to be flat. The rotating bezel is, as I mentioned, very smooth to the touch, so it is going to be superior to other entry-level divers watches. At this moment, this is the best-selling entry-level diver's watch on Amazon. It has also surpassed the Invicta Pro Diver Automatic, which is something really cool. So let's also throw it on the wrist and have a look. This is how the watch looks on the wrist. I would say that it is quite elegant, given the fact that it is a Casio watch, and I really like the fact that you can opt for different variants. So you can go with the all black with different colors when it comes to the bezel, and you can also throw this on a leather strap, on a bracelet, in order to make it even more elegant. For reference, I have a wrist size of 165 millimeters or 6.5 inches, and you can see that this watch still looks good on my wrist. It is, I would say, at the limit, because the lug-to-lug distance is almost close to my wrist width. So that is going to be something that you need to take into consideration in case you have smaller wrists. But as I mentioned, for medium and larger wrists, this is going to be a really cool watch. So guys, that was the quick unboxing video that I had for you today. In my opinion, this is going to be a watch that everybody needs to own. It is going to be very accurate, 200 meters of water resistance, the best entry-level diver's watch at this particular moment. I really like the fact that it comes on the resin strap, and it has the screw down back and the screw down crown. A very big display, and also the rotating bezel, the movement of the bezel is going to be superior compared to the one on the Invicta Pro Diver Automatic. In case you want to watch how to set the time and date on this particular model, and also how to replace the watch battery, I'm going to leave links in the description box below, so make sure to check them out. So also make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next on this YouTube channel. And if you'd like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.